M. Kumarasamy College of Engineering, NAAC accredited autonomous institution, approved by ICT and affiliated to Anna University. The college has earned remarkable position in the field of technical education through untiring efforts of visionary management, competent faculty members, and stupendous students. The institution, with its state-of-art facilities and dedicated team of faculty members, has become a hub of technocrats and is marching towards new frontiers. The consistently good academic performance of the students, coupled with excellent placement record, portrays the quality of education being provided in the college. The mantra of success for the college emanates from its strong value system, which gives prominence for developing responsible citizens to build a strong India. Why MKCE? Exemplary faculty base, industry oriented teaching, excellent placement, outstanding student community, exposure to industry, enriching seminars and guest lectures, conducive learning environment. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. User is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. Courses offered are mechanical engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, civil engineering, and information technology. Cut-off marks for various castes and various departments: for OC 163 to 182, for BCM 114 to 164, for BC 156 to 174, for MBC 151 to 169, for SC 79 to 136. Facilities: Library has built a robust collection of over 55,754 books. The library has an air-conditioned facility and provides access to best of digital resources through its subscription to various databases consisting of scholarly and industry-relevant content. MKCE Library is to provide information services and access to bibliographic and full-text digital and printed resources to support the scholarly and information needs of the institute community. The library has a collection of over 60,000 volumes of reference textbooks, etc. It also subscribed for 135 national journals, 165 international journals, 38 technical magazines, 33 general magazines, and full-text online database like IEEE, Springer, Inventy, Elsevier, Science Direct, and Sage Management. Sports. Physical education is a part of general education, and it is an education to prepare the student to be healthy and robust. Students participate in intercollegiate, interzone, and inter-university levels. College select fresh students, those who have not participated in any sport activity in the school studies, and motivate them and encourage to take up any one of the game and provide coaching in that particular activity. And the other facilities are hostels, canteen, clubs, community radio, and transport. The placement at MKCE: Tata Consultancy Services, Wipro, Cognizant, accredited institution. And top-notch placement for 2020 is 100 plus companies visited. Total number of offers is 1079, and 3 to 4 lakhs per annum 424 offers, 4 to 5 lakhs per annum 310 offers, and above 5 lakhs per annum 30 offers, and the highest salary is 17 lakhs per annum and the average salary is 3.4 lakhs per annum. Result comparison for MKCE: in 2014 96% and in 2018 74%. College counseling code is 2608. Contact college at 04324272155 or 270755. Website is www.mkce.ac.in. College is located in Talavapalayam, Karur, and the mail ID is admission@mkce.ac.in.